Are you tired of being stuck with a TV viewing angle that just doesn't work for your living room? If your current mount leaves your screen static and awkward, it is time for an upgrade. Today, we are looking at the USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount, and it completely changes how you experience your home theater. First, the dual articulating arms offer incredible full motion flexibility. This means you can pull your TV out, swivel it, and tilt it to eliminate annoying screen glare from windows or lamps. You get the perfect view from anywhere in the room. Second, it is built for reliability, supporting TVs from 32 up to 70 inches and weighing up to 99 pounds. Whether you have a smaller bedroom setup or a massive main living area display, this mount holds it securely. Third, installation is a breeze because it is compatible with standard 12 or 16-inch wood studs. You don't need to be a pro to get a professional look. If you are ready to reclaim your viewing space, check the link in the description to grab yours. Stock can fluctuate, so don't wait too long.